Hey everybody, it is D-Roll. I'm back with a video for you guys today. And today we're doing a PC build. It is very cool. It's going to get a lot of games done. It's a nice game PC. It's going to be around $600, $700. I haven't done it yet, but let's get into the video. Okay, so for our first part, we have the Gigabyte AM3 Plus DDR3 motherboard. It is a great choice. It'll get everything we need done. It's just a very basic motherboard, good price. So yeah, let's move on to the next part. On screen right now though. Alright, so for our next part, we have the AMD FD6 300, a lot of other letters, 6-core processor, Black Edition. CPU has 6 cores, so it'll get cores, it'll get games that need a lot of cores running this smoothie on screen right now. For our RAM, we're going with 16 gigabytes of DDR3 Kingston HyperX Furious. Okay, so that'll cover all the games we're gonna play. Also, it'll give a lot of other things, so we can have Skype and other stuff running in the background. Let's move on to the next part and on screen. For our next part, we have the EVGA GeForce GTX 964 GB SS Gaming. Now, this is a good choice. It is a 960. It will get demolished games. Like, you're not pushing anything 4K, but you can play most games at either 30 or 60 frames per second on high settings on screen. Now, for our next part, we have 1 terabyte of Western Digital Caviar Blue. Very, very basic. That's what we need done. I love the hard drive. It's in my build. It works. Let's move on to the next part. For our power supply, our PSU, we have the Century X Plus power supply, 725 watts. We need a big, beefy power supply to feed that graphics card, so we can do it. So yeah, let's move on to the next part. And for our final part, we have the Roswell Micro TX Mini Tower computer case with dual fans, and USB 3.0. Great choice. It's actually the build that my PC is in that case. It is a great choice. Dual fans, everything we need. So yeah. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Slap that like button, slap the subscribe button if you like what you saw, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.
Audio Jungle.